What is cleaning for a reason?
Keeping a home clean can be difficult under any circumstances. Add in the fact that you may be extremely ill from cancer treatment makes this challenge even more difficult. That is when Cleaning for a Reason comes into play. They partner with more than 1,200 maid services to provide free house cleaning to women only, aged 19 years old or older, who are battling any type of cancer. There is a high demand for the services. Therefore, patients are eligible to receive just one round of service through their program. It is important to note that the cleaning companies volunteer their services and are not compensated in any way. When matched with a cleaning company, a patient receives a total of 2 free house cleanings, that is, 1 general cleaning a month for up to 2 months. After an application has been submitted and there is an opening, the patient will be requested to ask the doctor to fax a note saying that he or she is undergoing cancer treatment. The patient is then matched with a cleaning company offering the service in their neighborhood. Unfortunately, there is not a guarantee of services because some areas do not have a cleaning service or the services may be at capacity with patients that are already being helped. If there isn't availability at that time of application, Cleaning for a Reason may still contact the patient at a later date. They are constantly signing up new cleaning companies each month, and those already at capacity do open up as well. Remember, this is based on availability. You can start an application at cleaningforareason.com.